Hello, my name is Lauren Cole.
Maria Ramsey.
Turn the Bose ring.
Scenario 1. Claim. Gamma ray bursts are flashes of gamma rays associated with extremely energetic explosions that have been observed in distant galaxies. Evidence. Gamma ray burst is the most powerful kind of explosion known in the universe, and scientists believe it has caused mass extinction billions of years ago. Reasoning. Gamma ray bursts happen in the galaxy when two collapsed stars merging together 10 quadrillion times as energetic as the sun. Scenario. I chose this scenario because it was the most realistic to her. These explosions have been observed in distant galaxies, and if they were to explode in the Milky Way, it would severely damage the atmospheres. Media. The movie Biggest Bangs is a pickup from NASA satellites, and they say it's the biggest explosion since the Big Bang.
Scenario 2.
Scientific expression. Environmental toxins. Scientific explanation. Claim. Chemical garbage could ultimately threaten our survival. Causes. In major cities around the world, the air is thick with diesel particles, which the National Institute of Health now considers a carcinogen. Heavy metals from industrial smokes to testicles. Smokestacks circle the globe. Then sadly, the Princeton shows in Antarctica intense. Technical difficulties. Intensive use of pesticides and farming guarantees runoff into rivers and lakes. In high doses, dioxins can disrupt fetal development and impair reproductive function. Effects can cause cancer. These chemicals mimic human hormones well enough that they can reduce fertility. Explanation. High doses of these toxins can create fatal development and impair reproductive function. Claim. Chemical garment. Ion legend has to do with chemicals being ingested by people, causing them to die or to become mutants.
Scenario 3.
The scientific study of war began with the hope and promise that the collection of reproductive evidence in a systematic analogy. The world wars on the 20th century almost involved almost every continent on Earth. Many of the states who fight in the First World War also fought in the Second, although not always on the same side. The two world wars of the 20th century caused unprecedented casualties and destruction across theaters of conflict, although there are at least three wars before the 20th century, with as many as more casualties in the First World War. All countries across the world don't get along. For some reason, for some countries, an ally to them is an enemy to another. Slide 5. War Games, 1983. Movie, Fatal Voyage, 2001. Book, and I know my nail's cute. Call of Duty games, Star Wars comics, these are all have something to do with the whole, yeah. And we just want to tell you one thing. We did.